Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing spicy app to your Fire Stick in 2025, which is really easy to set up and the app itself is totally free to use. And the very first step is getting the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. If you already have downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then there is no need for you to do that step. But if you don't have downloader, then just follow me. So to get downloader, you have to go to your home screen, then select this little button with a magnifying glass icon, open the search bar and start typing downloader in your search bar. And usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You'll click on it and here's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet because we still need to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we'll go to settings. So click that button with a gear icon and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it is going to say that you just become a developer. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options, which now will have appeared for you right here. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging settings, then go to install unknown apps, and in here, all you need to do is locate downloader and turn the option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So let's go back to the list of applications on the Fire TV Stick. Here it is. Let me open it. And now there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, all you have to do is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on your line, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So just go back to the list of applications on your device, locate downloader now and open it. And when the Downloader app opens, you'll see such a search bar which will appear on your screen. Open it, and then there will be a virtual keyboard which you can use to enter either links or codes which allow you to download the apps. In our case today, we'll be entering a code to download this amazing spicy app to your device. And the code is going to be 9535662. So once again, 9535662. That is the code you have to enter. So make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Then click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more amazing videos about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds to actually download the app to your device. Then click Install and just wait a bit for the app to finish installing. And after that, don't click on Open yet. Instead, press on Done, because this way you get an ability or an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So click on Delete and then delete once again. This way you'll get rid of the unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. Now, the next step is going back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it up, wait a moment for it to load, and then at the bottom you will find this application, which we just got for you. But before actually using the app, there's one more thing, which I recommend doing. It is clicking on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the Home button on your Fire Stick remote. When you click on it, a menu will appear on the right side of your screen, which says Move to Front. Click on that button, and now the app will always be at the very top of your application list for easy access of the app. And of course, don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay totally anonymous online when using spicy apps. Once again, you can get 3 months of NordVPN for free if you use the link below the video. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.